And we are back. Before finishing the last stream, I had hopefully finally fixed the patch that was leading to errors. I sent that to GitHub, so our CI tools will be running on them. And I realized that I had not ran Suricata Verify on those, so I also did that while I was not on screen. And I'm already figures. I saw those early. Oh, so many figures. What did I do wrong? Okay. We are missing a rebase. I'm sure of it. Yeah, let's rebase it. My bad. My very bad. First, do we have anything more? Yeah, we were missing that. Oh. I'll see if things still work after this. Do we have new things in Suricata Verify now? We don't, but is the do we have anything here? No. Okay, this is fine. We needed things here. Let's do this. And see if everything is, see what was wrong, because those are just too many figures and we will not see the rest. Oh, first works. All right. But that's not CI fuzz, or did things change? I think it's been so long since I submitted a pull request that things changed. Okay, I want a configure with song is so awful. It's all broken. Stop it. Go for something else. What will it be? Okay. It's my connection. It's messing up with all songs. Okay. Sounding awful. Right, let's enable debug validation first. Oh, sounding terrible. Everything failed. I can't hear this. No songs. It's not working. Yeah, Hydra was well, Discord was misbehaving. Let's build this. Did this check failed? Is this failing for everyone, or did I do something wrong? Yeah, it's only. There's too many failures to be something here. Especially because this is passing. Yeah. It's on me. Pornography. Oh well. I have to add a configure flag to have cache again. Cache. Hello! Good morning? For real? Did you just wake up? I have a friend. A real one joined. A real one. That's so mean. Join me as I try to figure out why all of my CI checks are failing now, when I thought I had fixed things. All right, so shall we run all of them? This passes. This is promising. Oh, okay. So good morning to you. It's always morning somewhere, right? So you're not wrong. Like never. It's always morning somewhere. So oh good. Look good to me support. Cool. I want to see that. What type of exercises? Are they physical exercises or is it coding exercises? Brainwashing. Coding. Do you want to share? I'm missing something too. This huge hair of mine, I want to bond it some. Bond, wrap, do a ponytail. I'm here to help with that as well. Sometimes I don't know what is expected of me, and I spend a lot of time trying to figuring out. Oh, that sucks. Don't they what's the word? Aren't they published later on? went away. Come back, song. Give me my song back. Oh, that's sad. Well, if you change your mind and you want to try and use me as a rubber duck, I'm here. I'm hopefully a decent rubber duck. I would hope so, for real. I'm just running our QA locally, what I have of it anyway, just so I know that things are all right. Okay, those tests pass here. Now let's configure it in such a way that the unit tests can run. I'm after many days, I think I've finally managed to fix the patch that was failing in our CI fuzz, and now I want to move on with new fixes, but when I pushed it to my GitHub repo, everything failed. So now I'm rebasing my code to see what is wrong. Yeah, so that's where I am. What type of coding exercise is it? Well, I have a bottle of water, a bottle of water below. Oh, so you have the code, but it's missing parts, so it's like filling the gaps, but with code? Oh, wow. I think I've seen some interview exercises that are like that. Never done one, I think, but I think I've seen such things. Okay, more compiling. Can I just assume things will work now and push it again? I'll do it. It's not a pull request yet, so. Okay, this is correct. All right, this is compiling so I can run the unit tests. In any case, I have just rebased and pushed things again. So we will have the CI actions running once more. Let's now run our tests. All of them. Run all tests. One failed, that is expected. It's because I did not run it with sudo. So far so good. What do I want to do now? Now I'm going to, okay. I'm not anxious at all. I'm opening the checks but I will not leave it open because it makes no sense and it would just distract me. Okay. But I still need that here. Let's go back to my pull request and the suggestion that we have. So one thing that I know I must change is detect engine alert. I know that there's here, this one could be an unsigned. Oh, am I should probably, now I have to go up, insert. It is already unsigned there, but for some reason it was not in the other one. Okay, that was one thing. Now I'm thinking in silence. That's wrong. I'm double checking that this check. I'll do the thing that you asked me to do last time we talked, and now we'll talk about what the problem that I am trying to solve in more detail. And by the way, I've been introducing things at the start of the lives now, thanks to you, so thank you. Excuse me, almost died. So we have this numdiff, which is my attempt to check if the internal ID that we have for the current signature that we have at the last position of the alert queue is equal or adjacent, I don't know how to speak that, to pronounce that word, to the one we are trying to insert, in which case if it is lower than the one we have, we know we want to replace it. And that's this is what numdiff is trying to do. But we know, or we have decided that if we have the very same signature, the same ID, and we have reached packet alert max, that is, there's no more space in the alert queue, and we have the same signature, we will not replace the older one with a new one. So we will not use this any longer. And something was in my head bugging me and bothering me. Can I place what it was? I think I was trying to think. I was trying to analyze if the fix that I just submitted would still make sense if I changed that. And my feeling is that it's still valid, because in some cases we want to insert an alert which where the difference between the internal IDs is bigger than or greater but not greater than -1. So we would go to the other case and we would have to do all of that, and we could reach the situation that I just fixed. And I still think we should have this check here, because if we know it's the last position, we just straight do it. If we don't, we have to find the right position. And I don't want to have to call this every time, because we go through a 4 here, and I think a 4 would be more time consuming than just, and more, it would have a bigger impact in terms of performance than just having this. And because we are dealing with a lower level code, and Suricata is analyzing lots of signatures all the time in the real world situation, we have to care about such details. So after this huge parenthesis, that's what I want to do. All of that just to do this. So yeah. What else? This is one thing. It's very slow, I know, but there's no other way. I'll just keep doing it like that. It's baby steps, because I don't want to mess up with things now. So we will build this. Did I save it? Save it again. We will build this. Warning, missing termination character. It's not really, it's just okay. So it builds. First step, good. Now let's move on to check if I did not break my tests. Works. Now I know that some tests were not working, although those probably would work. Yeah, I want to run these tests. Oh. I'm not truly testing everything, because in order for our unit tests to work, I cannot enable one of the things that we are checking, which is this one. So I'm not entirely sure that things are all right now. So I'll just run these tests, because I broke them a while ago with a patch, and I want to make sure I'm not breaking them, and then I'll move to configuring differently and back and forth, and that's it. All right, I hope I'm making sense. Yep. So the pattern is auto action test 15. I think it's like that. Passed. 18. Passed. 20. Passed. 22. All those pass. Cool. Nice. All right, now, as I said, we have to change the debug validation. You don't have it? All right. I have to configure it with debug validation enabled. Is that how you call it? I think it is. And meanwhile, I know I said I would not. Okay, things seem to be better. It was really just a matter of no, 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 no. What? Tell me. What do you want to know? Why did it break? I'm desperate. Why everything is breaking? What? What is this? What happened here? What is the error? I know the Elder Scrolls. What is going on? For real. Oh. Okay, it's good, it's good, it's doable. I messed up, it's fine, it's okay. It's a simple mistake. It's my fault. Of course it's my fault. Why am I not seeing this here? Because those would be activated with enable debug, and I'm not compiling with that, I guess, and therefore I don't see this. But because here flags here, we have enable debug, and that enable debug is pointing out my mistakes. Again, that's why we have CI in place, all those checks, because we make mistakes. We make so many mistakes. Anyway, where am I? I'll build this and check if the other thing works, and then I'll move on to fix my errors. And which ways are you talking about? Because I'm lost. I got too distracted with the failures that were my fault, so I have no idea what you're talking about. I don't know what are my ways. Do I even have ways? Okay, where is the error? Not the flag here. Yeah, it's my fault. Check 6.9. I want to complain about the Clang script because I think it messed up with what I was doing. Let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then this gets messed up because of that. Then we have this. Then we have that. So it's not that it is wrong, but because it's too long, I guess. I don't see it as missing. I think it's just because of how the lines were broken by the Clang automatic formatting. It's messed up because we have 2 here, we have 2 here, we have 1, 2 there, then we have 2, 2, 2. No, yeah, I don't know. It's just this ugly way of deciding to break things down. Where is it? Here you say it's invalid. And here you think we are expecting something else. But the thing is that you broke, not you, but Clang broke things in weird ways, I think. What happens if I, where am I? If I try to do this and just put everything in a single line and let Clang break it down. Oops. Break it down again. Will it do it in the right way? Will it mess up with things? Soon to find out. Don't miss the next chapter when we will find out what happens when we try to make Clang format things properly. Here it's alright because it's breaking the line at the commas, and it's not something that I did, that's why it's alright. My song is not working, so just pause it for now. Okay. I just did something bad because I had a patch that was about one thing and then I got ahead of myself and changed something else. Alright, now we have 2 different changes here, and I have to go here, just check them, and I want to separate them because they are semantically, we are doing 2 different things and they should go different places for now at least. So all of those are unstaged. I guess if I press 1, I'll have part of them unstaged and part staged. So let's see what is staged now. This is staged, right? What do we have here? This is big CI figures. This is something else. I want to go here. No. I want to. Can I don't always know how to use dig. So that part is stage for commit. I want to add that one to just commit that bit. Don't. I want to. Can I do it via tick? Can I do a fix up, or would it mess up because it has unstaged changes? It cannot be a fix up. I want it to be a different. All right. No panic. It's so small that I don't need to panic. It's okay. It's all right. But I should be able to do it from here. No, I cannot. Right. Okay. I'll change it later on. So detect, alert, git stash. Yeah, I don't like using git stash. Because I always end up messing up with it. I'm not great with git stash. I've messed up things with git stash, but I've just decided that I shouldn't be worrying so much, because it's literally just this and this much. I can go back and forth and change accordingly and split them later on. But yeah, I could use git stash, but I try not to because it's messed up for me. But I thought I should be able to, you know, if I unstage just one line, I wanted to be able to commit that part. Yeah, I have to improve the way I use Tig still. But okay, let's commit this. This is this will be just this will be a fix up, because I just fixed the errors from the thing that should be working. So this is just a fix up. Just that. And let's do it a better way than, yeah, let's abort. Let's have everything here. Wait, what? Okay. All right, what is here? It should all be the same, but I'm just right. Okay, let's try again. I want to fix up this. Is this the right one? No, it's not. That's why. No, it is. It is. Okay, now we have the fix up. Let's rebase this. All right. I will now do something that is like reworking. It's not the right way of doing things, but as I said, because it's something so small, I'll just do it anyway, which is I'll add again the thing that I removed. Just so the difference will be just the thing that should be changed. Right. Now, this should have just the fix, which is this, and the debugs, which is already not perfect, but well, this is, as this will be fixed up later on anyway, I'm not so worried about that part. But this is something that should not be here either. Yeah, because this is not part of the fix up. It could be, yes it could, but it was not done there. And I'm just trying to clean things up, right? So there you go. You are not supposed to be there, so don't. Okay, where did I go? Over. I can't, right? Can't see it.